Understanding roof depreciation. Roof depreciation can be likened to a battery. Batteries over time will lose their power. They'll go down from 100% down to 50%. Roofs, similarly, will start with, say, a 20-year life expectancy, and over 10 years, 50% of your life expectancy on your roof is gone. Understand your actual cash value and your replacement cash value work like this. If you have roof damage and you go to make a claim, and 50% of your roof's life is gone, actual cash value will only cover that last 50% of your roof. Replacement cash value gives you the option to cover the entire roof. Details that can be shared more by your agent.